Hi everyone, welcome to the Way Private School, and I would like to welcome grade 7. This is our English class video lessons, and this is teacher Marissa. So these video lessons will cover the dates from 26th to 29th of March 2020, and our topic will be Unit 7 predictions on reading comprehension and vocabulary skills. And then the reference will be your student book, pages 106 to 109. The objectives for these lessons are for you to be able to read with comprehension, use vocabulary words effectively, be aware and concerned about environmental issues. So in Unit 7, which is predicting our planet in the future. So as you can see on the picture on your book, there are two faces or two sides of the planet. These are the positive sides in the future and these are the negative ones. As you can see here, there are technological advancements like electric cars and wind power farms. We have them now, and self-cleaning buildings as well, and new medicines to cure diseases. Now, another one here is to colonize the moon. People will be able to travel to the moon and live there in the future. But here on the other side, down here, is extreme weather like tornadoes, tsunamis, earthquakes, and other disasters. Animals become extinct or they won't exist anymore. And then overpopulation, more people will be there, and water shortage. So what is going to happen to our planet? What will life be like? It's never easy to predict the future. Some scientists and researchers give us their hopes and fears for the decades ahead. So this is a highlighted vocabulary, decades. Now, these are the predictions. On this side is the positive ones, and on this side are the negatives. So let's start reading. I hope you have your books with you so that you can answer some of the questions that we are about to do after the reading. Let's begin. Listen and read along. Companies will create eco-friendly self-driving cars. These cars will run on electricity instead of petrol. They will not produce fumes, so there will be much less air pollution. Cars will also be able to communicate with traffic lights and interact with other vehicles to prevent accidents. Scientists will discover new medicines. These medicines will be able to treat many diseases. Because of this, people will have much longer lives. People will use more clean energy. There will be more hydropower plants. Hydro means water source of energy. And then plants means where they make the energy. It's like a building to generate sources of energy into electricity. And wind power farms. This clean energy will not harm the environment. Self-cleaning buildings will fight smog. We will colonize the moon. It will have a small population and we will learn how to live on other planets. On the other side, the population of the planet will rise to around 9 billion people. Because of this, there won't be enough food for all the people. Many animals will become extinct or will not exist anymore because there won't be enough food and places for them to live in. We will lose these animals forever. We won't have a lot of water to drink, cook, or wash with. Because of this, water will be about 300% more expensive. The temperatures on Earth will rise also. There will be more extreme weather conditions like tsunamis and hurricanes. So from the text, these are the highlighted words. Create, run, prevent, treat, harm, learn, decades, wash, rise. So before we do activity 2, we do activity 3 first so that you can understand easily by means of the synonyms of the words. So cure means to treat or make people well by medicine or by any kind of remedy. Make is to create, find out, learn, clean or wash, operate, run, go up, rise, damage, harm, stop, prevent, 10-year periods, decades. Now, in number 2, we're going to read the text and mark the sentences T or F. T if it's true or F if it is false. So scientists believe that in the next few decades, number 1, people will die at an older age. So here is false because scientists in the future will be able to make medicines that will lengthen the lives of people. Number 2, some people will live on the moon. According to the text, it is also true. Number 3, we will not produce enough food for everyone. True or false? It is true because there will be more people in the future. Number 4, we will be able to bring extinct animals back to life. We will not be able to. So this one is false. Number 5, we will need to pay more for water. True. And then the earth will become warmer. This is also true because it's happening now actually. Some global warmings, okay, or the global warming rather, causes a lot of natural disasters like earthquakes and tsunamis and others. So in number 4, I would like you to do this by yourself. Number 4 and number 5. I will explain it to you in the first 2 words. So in number 4, you're going to fill in the sentences from 1 to 8 with these words: population, the number of people, eco-friendly, something that does not harm the environment, weather, if it's cold, extremely hot, and then extinct, something, or like animals that do not exist anymore, diseases or illnesses. Smog is actually a mixture of smoke and fog that is caused by pollution. And fumes, these are smoke formed by gases from cars when they run, and then electricity. So in number 5, activity 5, we call it collocations, meaning to complete the phrases. There are some words that are formed together, okay, 2 words to give 1 meaning. So for example, in number 1, light, lights. So traffic lights. So you are going to choose 1 word here that you can pair for number 1 to 10. Now for the rest here, 6, 7, and 8 activities, these are group activities that we can do in the classroom when we are back in our school, okay? So let's do the vocabulary on computers. Now, I know that everybody or every household or every home has these things. These are technologies that we use on our present day. Number 1, can you guess what it is? It's a screen, right? And then in number 2, we have the speakers. Yes, to make the sound louder, loud enough for us. And number 3, a print, to print pictures or documents that are important. And this is a scanner to send some documents through online as well. And then number 5, this is a USB flash. What do we do with the USB flash? We save here documents. And then in number 6, this is a mouse, yes. And number 7, a keyboard. You learn this in your IT lessons. And then we have number 8, the webcam. So when we talk to our families away from us through online. And then this is number 9, the microphone, to make our voice louder. And then number 10 is the drive. Okay then. Now down here, actually on the page of this activity, there is activity 2, wherein I would like you to do by yourself. It's easy to answer because it is based on the verbs or the action words of the things, of these things. What do they do? Like what does the printer do? What does the screen do? What does the webcam do? So that is page 108, activity 2. Okay, please do it at home. Now next we have here technology in the classroom. Now, I know that you are all familiar with all these gadgets that you see. Okay, now let's try to choose the correct word for each. How do they function? So tablets help students keep or hold notes. Keep notes. And then number 2, video cameras make it possible to film or tape. To film experiments or record performances. Okay, now number 3, students can use laptops instead of notebooks instead of writing, to type out their notes. And number 4, interactive whiteboards make it possible to watch or attend videos. To watch videos, go online to research a topic, or even to save lessons to send to students who were absent. Okay, and the audio recorder helps students record, play information to use while studying or reading at home. So the answer here is record information to use while studying or reading at home. While studying. Okay, now next will be the last page, which will be your homework for 3 days. Okay, so do pages 64 to 65 of the workbook. They all have something to do, and the activities on these pages have something to do with all your lessons on the ones that we have discussed on this video. And then next we have pages 23 to 25 of the worksheet book. It is the same. It's all about the 2 first pages of your student book as well. So I would like you to stay home and be safe. Thank you guys. See you next time at school. Bye.